Good morning all. In the last section, we have saw how to use some of the features of the SAS Studio to manipulate the data from built-in SAS dataset that is stored in SAS Help. In this lecture, in this section, we are going to see how to create SAS dataset by importing data from Excel workbooks, CSV files, and many other file formats. So let's start. Before uploading any files to this SAS Studio, you have to remember that this Studio is in the cloud. To upload any file in this cloud, you have to first create one folder to hold all the files that we are going to upload in this SAS Studio. So first thing is to create a folder. Now you can see in this navigation pane, we have one tab which is server files and folder. In this tab, you can see this files option. In this file option, we have already one folder, which is by default by the SAS Studio. In this file option, we want another new folder of our choice. So how to do? Now you can see in the top, we have different icons. From these icons, the first icon, when you hold the cursor on this first icon, you can see new. So this icon is used to create something new. When you click on this new icon, you can see the list from which we want to select whatever we want to do. For now, we want to create a folder. So click on this folder. When you click on that folder, you'll get an option to give a name to your folder. So I want to give my folder name as my files. Now I have given the name to my folder and then click save. Once you save, you can see the change in the navigation pane that in the file section, one folder is got created with the name that we have given my files. For now, we can't see a triangle symbol in front of this my files because this folder is empty. When you upload some files in this, the triangle symbol will get appeared in front of this my file. And when you click on that triangle symbol, you'll get the list of the uploaded file in that folder. So we have done with the first task, that is creating a folder to upload the file. Now we'll see how to upload the file. For example, I have one Excel file. I'll show the Excel file. So this is the grades. The file of this the Excel file name is grades. So I want to import this file in the SAS Studio. You can see that this data set has first row contain name of the variable and all other three sections, all other three rows are for the data entries, that is for 3 students. The student name of the student, ID of the student, quiz 1 marks, quiz 2 marks, midterm marks, quiz 3, quiz 4 and final marks. So this is the data set that we want to import, that we want to upload in the my files folder that we have created now. So let's see how to upload the file. Again, go to our SAS Studio. Now we want to upload the file in this my folder. You just have to select the folder in which you want to upload. If you want to upload in this SAS user folder, select this. Or if you want to upload the files in manually created folder, you can click on this my files. Now I want to store in this file folder. So click on this folder. Again, go to this icons. From this icon, you can see this arrow, upward arrow. When you hold the cursor on it, you can see upload. And when you click on this, you'll get an option to choose a file from your system. And in the top, you can see upload file to, and this path is given. This path is given by default as we have selected my files in this file section. You can see this folder name is got appeared directly. Now we'll see how to choose. Click on this choose file option. Once you click, you have to select the data set. In which folder you have stored the data set, you just have to go to that folder. Now in this folder, my grades data set is there. You can see This is an Excel file that we just saw, and we want to import this data set. You just have to click on the data set that you want to import. If you want to import a single data set, you just have to click. When you click on any of the data set, you can see the name below and just click on open. But in case if you want to select the set of data set, suppose I want to select grade, this quick, or in between data set. So for that, you just have to click on the first data set, then hold the control key and select whichever data set you want. And then click on this open. Or suppose if you want to select a series of data sets, like from grades to this last one, that is solution to odd number problem. So select the first one, hold shift key, and then select the last one. All in between files are got selected, and then click on this open. But for now, I'm just selecting single file at a time and click on open. When you click on this open, you can see that first our file is got selected. You can see here one. If we have selected many file, you can see all the list of files that we have selected. But for now, we have selected just one file, and which is of the Excel format. The name of the file is grades.xls, and the size of the format. All the information is given in this section. Once you have selected the file, just click on this upload. You can see the change in the navigation pane is that in my folder files, you have uploaded your grades.xls file. You can see this triangle is appeared now. When you click on this triangle, it will get compressed. When you click again, it will show the list of all the files that is stored in this folder. So that's it about uploading the file. So this file is now in the Excel format. To use this data set in the SAS Studio, you have to convert this Excel file to a SAS data set. And how to do that, we'll see in the next lecture. For now, this is all about this video. We have seen how to upload a file. There are two steps to upload a file. First, we have to create one folder from this news icon, and then we have to upload a file by this upload icon. So that's it for this video. Thank you.